Good morning. I'm Liz with Eco Urban Gardens, and welcome back for episode 13 of Gardening at Home with Liz. So today we're going to talk about how we transition our beds. By transition, I mean we're taking out old vegetables and putting in a new round. So we just pulled out all of our beets. It's a little late in the season. I should have harvested them earlier, but that's okay, one thing at a time. So we pulled out all the beets and then we cleared the bed of the weeds, and now we have to remediate the soil with compost. So we're gonna try and get that nice 50-50 mix that we talked about in our composting video. So as you can see here, this is an example of a bed that we started clearing. It's pretty weedy and the soil is fairly depleted. Still got some nutrients in there, but it's pretty dry and loamy. So here is what our good compost looks like. Now I purchased this compost from a bag, but you could use your compost from your compost pile, or you could get bulk compost from the city that you live in, or maybe a local distributor, or you can buy bags. But if you buy bags, it won't be called compost typically, it'll be called soil amendment. Those are the same things, and you just want to look out for a brand that's organic. So I'm going to dive in, mix in my compost into my soil, and then I'll show you how we're going to lay out our plants. All right, so now we've got our soil tilled, we have our compost mixed in, and you can see the beautiful dark color of the soil. When I was tilling in, I was also pulling out the weeds as I went and old roots that were in there, and I also found a ton of worms. So that's very good. That means our soil is super healthy, very alive, and it's gonna do really well with our new baby plants. So now I'm gonna put in tomato and basil. These are very good companion plants, meaning they work well together in the same bed. And I'm gonna make sure I give them a lot of space to spread out because they're both gonna get quite large. So that was it for our bed transition video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next week.